Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of a highly anticipated gaming controller that promises to shake up the Nintendo Switch scene. The Rainbow 2 Pro is making waves as a robust alternative to the Nintendo Switch Pro controller. It's designed by BIG-One and offers a plethora of features tailored for both Switch and PC gamers. Let's start with the design. The Rainbow 2 Pro bears a striking resemblance to the Xbox wireless controller, featuring a semi-translucent finish and an ergonomic shape that fits comfortably in hand. The textured grips ensure a secure hold, which is crucial for extended gaming sessions, especially when utilizing its gyroscopic aiming capabilities in games like Splatoon 3. What sets the Rainbow 2 Pro apart are its advanced features. It boasts Hall effect sticks and trigger locks, enhancing precision and responsiveness during gameplay. One standout feature is the array of remappable buttons strategically placed across the controller, including 2 additional ones near the triggers for easy access. Moving on to performance, the Rainbow 2 Pro delivers where it counts. It supports both USB-C and 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity, ensuring low latency and reliable connection. Gamers will appreciate its versatility, seamlessly transitioning between Nintendo Switch and PC gaming, albeit with a slightly cumbersome mode switching process detailed in the manual. While the controller excels in many areas, it's not without its quirks. Some users may find the thumbsticks a bit mushy when clicking, which could affect certain gaming experiences that heavily rely on L3 and R3 inputs. Additionally, the default D-pad's accuracy may be underwhelming for some, though an alternative 8-way model is included for those who prefer it. Battery life clocks in at approximately 15 hours on a full charge, which is decent but falls short compared to competitors like the Nintendo Switch Pro controller. For added convenience, there's an option to purchase a model bundled with a charging dock, ensuring quick recharge times between sessions. Wrapping up, the Rainbow 2 Pro emerges as a compelling choice for gamers seeking a feature-rich alternative to Nintendo's official controller lineup. Its blend of comfort, precision, and customizable features make it a standout option in the market today. That concludes our in-depth review of the Rainbow 2 Pro controller. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and gaming insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.